Welcome to our channel, FASTCABLING. So today, we're stepping into the fast lane of networking with a guide on setting up a 10G PoE network. Imagine a network that's not just fast, but also deliver power over Ethernet. So get ready to supercharge your data transfer and power delivery. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, the demand for rapid data transmission has never been higher. A 10G network provides a solution that not only meets but exceeds this demand, and offering exceptional data speed. What makes 10G PoE network truly groundbreaking is their ability to deliver both high-speed data and power to connected devices through a single Ethernet cable. And this coverage simplifies network infrastructure, reduces clutter, and enhances efficiency. And to establish a robust 10G PoE network, it is crucial to have the right hardware in place. This includes high-performance switches or injectors, routers, and a variety of compatible devices that support both 10G Ethernet and PoE. And investing in advanced switches or injector capable of handling 10G speed is essential. These devices act as the backbone of the network, facilitating the rapid transmission of data and delivering power to connected devices. Additionally, routers play a key role in managing the network's overall performance. For end devices, consider investing in those that support 10G Ethernet, include the high-resolution IP cameras, wireless access point, or other networked equipment. And this comprehensive setup can ensure that your entire network is geared toward maximizing both data transfer speed and power delivery, laying the foundation for a high-performance 10G PoE network. And when selecting PoE devices for a 10G network, it is important to ensure compatibility and optimal performance. You should start by considering the power requirement of your devices and make sure the PoE equipment can provide sufficient power. Additionally, pay attention to PoE standards to guarantee seamless integration. Look for PoE injectors or switches that support the specific requirement of a 10G network. And this includes compatibility with high-speed data transfer rates and adherence to PoE Plus standard for delivering ample power. So by carefully assessing the compatibility and the standard of PoE equipment, you will be better equipped to build a reliable and efficient 10G PoE network. And as recommendations, here are some of our 10G PoE equipments. This one right here is our 30 watts 802.3 AT PoE Plus injector. It can add the power to Ethernet cable and transmit PoE with up to 30 watts of power and 10G bandwidth to edge IP devices. If that's not enough for you, this one here is our 10 gigabit 95 watts BT PoE injector. Now this is an advanced tool for various networking applications that meet the requirements on both high power and high bandwidth. The PoE injector supports 10 gigabit Ethernet network speed and compatible with IEEE 802.3 BT standard. So it comes with high security and reliability to the original main network system while delivers 95 watts high power to the current. And last but not least, we have our 8-port 2.5G PoE++ switch with 10G SFP uplink. It can provide a cost-effective solution to increase your network's throughput and provide up to 90 watts of power for 2.5G devices. It is compatible with IEEE 802.3 AF AT and BT standard, has a total power supply of 240 watts. And for port number 1 to 4, can support 90 watts of maximum power output. And for port number 5 to 8, can supply up to 30 watts of maximum power output. And next, we're going to move to the demonstration board and I'll show you the setup for today. So now we are going to connect to our wireless access point using our 10G PoE injector. First, we will need to use an Ethernet cable to connect our router to our injector. We upgraded to a new case. This is a 90 watts PoE injector that supports 10G network. So plug in the Ethernet cable to the data input port. This is the PoE output port. We are going to connect to another Ethernet cable. If you don't need that much high power, you can use our 30 watts PoE injector. First, let's plug in the Ethernet cable to PoE output port. And it is already powered up. Coming over here to our wireless access point, all you need to do is plug in the Ethernet cable. Just like this. And now our wireless access point is receiving both power and data and maintaining a 10G network. So setting up a 10G network involves careful consideration of several factors to ensure optimal performance and future scalability. You can begin by using high-quality cable such as Cat6A or X7 for short to medium distances, and consider 10G fiber network switches for a longer run. Given that high-speed networks generate more heat, it is essential to place networking devices in a well-ventilated area or equip them with proper cooling system to prevent overheating. And implementing power redundancy, such as uninterruptible power supply system, can safeguard critical components and prevent network downtime during power outages. Additionally, plan for future expansion by choosing network equipment and cabling infrastructure that can accommodate additional devices and increase data traffic as your network grows. And those considerations collectively contribute to the reliability and scalability of your 10G network infrastructure. And congratulations, you've just set up a high-speed 10G PoE network ready to handle your data and power needs. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel FASTCABLING for more tech tutorial, and enjoy the lightning fast connectivity of your new network.